Hello?
Let me show you. Green, what do Allah says? I'm not gonna do it now. I'm too lazy.
Sini kasraya sukun si. Sin kasraya sukun si. Sa su si. Shin fatali sukun sha. Shin damma sukun shu. Sha shu. Shin kasraya sukun shi. Sha shu shi. Swad fatali sukun sa. Swad damma sukun su. Sa su. Swad kasraya sukun si. Sa su si. Dua fatali
so much better. So much better. I'm not gonna lie.
Sukun du. Da du. Dua kasraya sukun du. Da du di. Ain fatali sukun a. Ain damma sukun u. A u. Ain kasraya sukun i. A u.
Hayeka.
Gain fatali sukun ga. Gain damma sukun
I just stopped
ga
eating for like 20 minutes.
Gain kasraya
Let's
sukun
kibe.
ga gu gi. Qaf fatali sukun ka. Qaf damma sukun ku. Ka ku. Qaf kasraya sukun ki. Ka ku ki. Ka fatali sukun ka.
Sagure amna tasizo.
Ka kasraya sukun ki.
This is so much, like, you know, this feels so much better. Like, I don't have to move my hair every single time. And I feel like very crowded because it covers my view. Waste of energy? Yeah, sure. Might be, but I love my hair.
Lam damma sukun lu.
Muchatti sa kamain bek, muchatti sa kamain. Dreadlock takes a long time, and I'm not gonna do it. I am not gonna do it.
Mamu. Mim kasraya sukun mi. Mamu mi. Nun fatali
America dufu barbari.
Nun damma sukun.
Bishan daki kokot. Bishan.
Nanu. Nun kasraya sukun.
Eyeglasses.
Nanu. Wow fatali
so much easier. Do it twist. Yeah, but to detangle my hair, ጸጉሬን detangle አድርጌ ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ blow out አድርጌ ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ it takes like multiple hours. I have a lot of hair, so no, I'm too lazy. I was born in Ethiopia. What's the topic for this day's live? I have no clue.
Safatai wow sukun saw.
Maltuna di ba yosin jalan kabate yon kabane.
Say dal fata wow sukun daw. Dal fata ya sukun day.
What is birthday?
Dal fata wow sukun daw.
Kenyatta take it all, I swear.
Zaw say.
Are you from Malaga? Where specifically? I'm not from Malaga.
Fata ya sukun ray. Raw ray. Za fata wow sukun zaw. Za fata ya sukun
Maltuna di ba yosin na jalate? Okay, what's your dream job? To become a farmer. To become a farmer. My dream job is to become a farmer.
Shin fata wow sukun shaw.
Karnataka kwasatala.
Sukun shay.
Shaw
shay.
It's in the oven. What is there to show? You gotta wait. Was a discussion. I need food. I'm not gonna wash the dishes. I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy. Not right now. I need to be watching something or something. جتون
مدين مو إسامة رابوني
قطي براتهم فيرا يوسي جاني فاراتي جتا
كلا إدمارا براتي سما في النرنجرو جل قبر راتي أكو مسافنا مدين
what you put in your hair what you mean
you know Sheeni Banjiramti
Sheeni تتصاد
هارمي كواسن جيرتو ما نرقسيسو
صاد فتايا سكون
is that energy drink no it's Fanta
داد فتاوى
وندنا I don't know
داد فتايا سكون داي داوداي طا فتاوى سكون طاو طا فتايا سكون داي داوداي طا فتايا سكون زاو زا فتايا سكون
داي
زاو زي لام فتاوى
pineapple Fanta is not that good but pineapple Fanta is only like in Ethiopia so I don't really see pineapple Fanta outside of Ethiopia butterfly thank you again I appreciate it
no أمزا فتاوى سكون أو أمزا فتايا سكون أي أو
do you know the guy that's making videos back home Money what you think about him oh King Money oh yeah I know Ken now
جيم فتايا سكون جو جيم فتايا سكون
مالنيا دابي نياتنا أمنجرو ماكرو انترني كيس أوفني كيس جرا
جيم فتاوى
سكون جو كوي فتشي
جيم فتايا سكون جاي جو جاي ها فتاوى سكون هاو ها فتايا سكون هاي أو
هاي زاري دمو تيارا أدلقه
سكون كاو
أي تيارا زاري لمباكس የሚቀጥለው ጊዜ ቲያራ እናሳይሻለሁ የሚያምር ቲያራ ነው የሚያምር ቲያራ Aren't you from Canada? Where is Canada? Never been to Canada.
Gain fataya sukun gai gau gai fa
I feel like I saw you once.
Fa fataya sukun
gai you been dreaming about me or something? What's going on? Yes, I'm tomorrow. Koye fechal ko anda bati minno.
Ka fataya sukun gai gau gai ka fataya sukun kau ka fataya sukun kai.
Yeah, I don't know who she is. Which one is more comfortable to speak? To be honest, it's more comfortable to speak Afan Oromo. Like I feel more relaxed. I feel more relaxed when I speak Afan Oromo. It's a lot easier for me. But I still can speak Amharic. Mujayo sa malgote. Ani mujayo ang beku. Mujayo sa kamjetu. You see? One way to that tomato na diyan.
Ya fataya sukun yau. Ya fataya wow sukun. Ya fataya wow sukun yau.
Ano gana so yeron duma kasita nasa.
Ya fataya sukun.
Sagaleko kafko dit nasa. Yeron duma kasita nasa. It's not something like out of disrespect. I just talk like that all the time. When it's out on the sunwara. Ule dimchen kafari gino mo. And it's not even disrespect, so.
Obviously. I'm a
big fan, thank you. How old are you? 55.
Inshallah.
Zarinyana way side lahum tiyaqew min ነኝ ለማለት ነው አይደለም ለማለት ነው wow
Aisha Bashasha
አልገባኝም ጥያቄ
አቤት obviously
እስከ ዛሬ እኮ what is he say እስከ ዛሬ እኮ እየተከራከርኩል ነበረ በልብ ጋስ ግን ዛሬ ጸጉር ምሮ ምትከራከሪ You have to be religious. Yeah, I'm not religious. So I'm not going to marry you. I'm very sad. Haragon kawaja. Landezi አይነት ጥያቄ መልስ አትስጥ ከፈለገ ሰጣለሁ why you wearing a tree around your neck cuz I love trees why you want to marry him handsome can cook funny educated handsome what more do you need from me Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Can't cook? Yeah, you didn't know?
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
Who's, by the way, the first people, like, if you don't take care of your lips, there's something wrong with you. Even as a man, take care of your lips. It does not matter. Your lips should look good. Please marry me. I don't even know what you look like. Nagashi.
أنعمت عليهم
which ayotic respect your mom, bro. I respect my mom, bro. Free Afan Oromo do bachanjira. Ati Malid Oromo wait. Ani Oromo mitiruga Jamaican ani Jamaican ra garu warri kiya Jamaican ra Shashamane tigalani Achumani Shashamane ra uga finfinite tigalani ani finfinite tandalate garu abani fi hatniko Jamaica ra dufani
wada nun fata alif sukuna wada anna
yeah but people you know that
nun damma
Oromo al-Gabanyim. I told my parents about you. They said you have to meet them. I can meet them. So you're not Oromo? No. I'm not Oromo. I'm Jamaican. Kia Galatomi. Kia Oromtiti Galatomi. Kia Senmiti. Thank you, Sabontu. It's so hard to eat Amharic. Okay. Ahmed Fo Atusadao Zarinyana Waisna. Zarinyana Waisna. What kind of question is that?
Min fata sin sukla. Min damma sin sukumus. Fakasrafi musfi rafeta.
Wow, you can talk all the languages. Yeah, I can speak every single language. Butterfly, thank you again. I appreciate it. Walk of favorite food, Kitfo. Yeah.
Dal fatada mu'usada.
Makaba James, Makana Bako James Jedama.
Mu'usadatun.
Akajarita Banko fi Hadako Jamaica right of any Jaderambe.
Okay. Min fata sin sukumas.
Zarinya.
Fatafa musfa bafa.
Walk of Kululu in basic walk or Mokulu in basic.
Gain Fataga Male.
Nah, not James, is James, like James. Yeah, my father and my mother, they're Jamaican. Y'all didn't know? What do you use for your hair? A lot of things. There's a lot of products I use. Are you sure? I'm 100% sure. Garu Muchansi Garanya to tell me please. Tell you what? Zafam Laki? Shit. Zafu ka abati ndit konjono na Zaf konjono. Harmen ko makani shemo. I don't want to tell nobody. I have a lot of hair products though. Like there's not one. There is Miel, there is Pink, there's other products inside of Miel that I use. Thank you, I appreciate it. Ani muchayo sa kamaka tanya ni big na isa mala muchayo kana garabi adre kulla asa da kamani de
takzibin kafidam takzibin
tasgibin ana kwati bebe hakadu